everyone. Welcome back to Carol's Steel Action Plan. I don't have anything on my teeth. It's been a minute. So I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I actually got this last week, but I've been a lazy ass about filming lately. I don't know why. I am trying to get back into it. So I figured I'd start with this. This is the Peace, Love, and Boxy. This time of year, stupid ass Coachella is going on. I don't know why everyone's all into that. I guess if you're a kid, you're into it, but I'm not into it. I'm not into seeing James Charles's fucking ass in Chaz for all 3 days of Coachella. How does he not know that it looks terrible? But I'm sure he wouldn't listen if someone told him. So first of all, you guys some brushes. Let's see, this is the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set. Retail cost is $28. And let's see. The Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. So a small contour brush and shader brush and large shader to pat on and blend out any eye looks. So let's take a look at these. I have so many brushes already. I actually have some in, look how shiny I am. It's ridiculous. Also, look, my face is a different color than my neck, so it's really hard for me to not have my makeup look stupid. So here's the brushes. I guess this is actually a nice little contour brush. I heard good things about these brushes, so cool. I'll use them. I could keep them at work. I always need brushes at work if I want to do a touch-up. Next I have here is this is the Beauty for Real Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner. It says Finish Line 24/7 Liquid Eyeliner is a mistake-proof pen. I can make a mistake with any freaking eyeliner pen. That creates a clean line in one steady sweep. Taper position brush makes it easy to apply pure deep color from thin to thick while intensely pigmented formula makes for 24-hour smudge resistant wear. So I'll be the judge of that. This is what it looks like. Here, I'm gonna swatch for you today. And I think when Mark comes home, I'll have him do the wheel. And then maybe I'll do a look tomorrow or Thursday, probably Thursday. I just got, no, Duncan. I had my first mammogram ever today. It wasn't as bad as people make it out to be as far as being painful and stuff. Oh. So that is the, that would be professional. That is the tip. Just the tip. See how it feels? Oh, it's on my hand. Oh, maybe I'll try it out. Hey, Duncan, the garbage is not for you to play in, all right? Leave my things alone. I know you can't resist. And this is, this next thing is Steve Laurent. Never heard of him. This seems like a lip thing. What do you guys want? You have food. If you need to jump up on the stool, Duncan, that's okay, but... So this is a lip color. It's alright, at least it's not warm tone. I get sick of all the warm tone stuff, because I don't... Steve Laurent lip gloss, 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. The Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe. That's what they all say. But I'll try it. Let me see. Sort of a pinky color. It's alright. Hey, get out of the garbage. Duncan. Man, you can't take him anywhere. We can. But he's kind of a pain in the butt when you do. Come here. See? Then he gets all weird about it. And so this is artist couture diamond glow powder. God knows I need more highlighters. Open it. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. It's probably sealed. I fear if I try to open it, it's going to fly all over the place, so I might refrain from that at this time. This color is called Summer Haze. Looks goldeny orangey. I'll check it out later. I was hoping it'd be like a diamond, like a white colored or something, but it does not appear to be the case. So this is the time of year and everyone puts out their festival palettes, and this is the pure festival palette, and this is a Unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion, from boho inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters. Each cruelty-free is infused with skin loving ingredients. I like Pure Cosmetics. They have foundation coming up, a 4-in-1 liquid foundation that has 100 shades, and I'm glad because they have neutral, because I'm kind of a neutral, and everything's like either yellow or pink tone, and I need in the middle. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. It's coming out this month, I think. But what's cool is they're on the Pure website. It has like you can put in foundation that you already use and see if they'll match you up to what they think should be yours. I'm just ripping this box up, but I don't even care. Oh, they taped the plastic thing on too. I don't know how I feel about that. So maybe work for my makeup, son. Jesus. Why? So this is what it looks like. It's pretty okay. I'm going to, shall I swatch? Indeed I shall. I'll have to swatch it on my tattoos, FYI. It's finger swatches. That's Free Spirit. And this one is Psychedelic. I'm just wiping out my jeans. I'm going to wash them anyways. I don't even care. This is Mood Vibes. I'm trying to think. Well, when I was younger, I wasn't into this festival shit anyways, really. This one is called Peace. Kind of more of a gold one. It looks like there's just like two glitter, actual true glitters in this palette, and those are these two right here. I'll try to swatch them. And then this color right here is called Epic, which kind of looks like a baby poop brown. Doesn't seem epic to me. This color, Gypsy, looks like a nice one. Yeah, there's Gypsy. It's purple. Of course, it doesn't show well with my purple, my tattoo. I'll do it right here real quick. That's a nice purple. I can live with that. And these names. This is Wild Child. It's kind of powdery. And this glitter one right here is called 24K Magic. I'm assuming that means 24 karat. Oh, that's nice actually. I'm not really much into golds usually, but that's cool. Look at that. This one is called All Night. This one is called Hidden Desert. Okay, I'm full of crap because listen, I did go to Burning Man in 1999 when it was only $60 to go for the whole week. Now it's like hundreds of dollars and everyone goes in an RV. So Burning Man was cool. I went with a group of people. I had a good time. I worked on their daily newspaper they had there, so it was pretty cool. So I was actually doing something there and it was fun. I wouldn't do it again though, but I wanted to do it just to say I did it. This next color is Sunset. The cool thing about Burning Man was all the art stuff, which I'm assuming Coachella is like that too, but it seems like Coachella is more the music stuff. Bad music, thank you very much. Sunset is this one right here, sort of orangey. And then the last one is a glitter one again, called Fireworks. It sort of looks kind of cool. Oh yeah, I like that. See, I like the glitters a lot. It's not terrible, but really, so the thing with Boxycharm, if you don't already know or if you don't already get it, it's like 21 bucks a month. So that palette retails for $36. So right there, that paid for the box. The brushes were $28. That highlighter is $27. The lip gloss is $22 and the eyeliner is $16. So that's way over $21. So if you're interested in getting Boxycharm, I can put a link in there below if you want. If you're interested, but don't feel like you need to. But if you're looking to build up your makeup collection and try new stuff like different brands out, it's a good way to do it. I think it's worth the money. You can stop at any time, whatever you want to do. All right, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. I'm always looking for more subscribers because I'm a slack ass on trying to market this thing. But have a great night. I'll see you soon.